He loves to be scratched, but he always has to latch on so I can scratch him. Come on. Come on. Scratchy, scratchy. He just loves these scratches. Scratchy, scratchy under your belly. Let's go, babies. Let's go, babies. That's scratchy, scratchy under your bellies. It looks like it's taking my hand off, but it's not. It doesn't hurt at all. He's just pushing. And it's because it feels good. And you get right up under his wings. And he loves that. He just loves that. He likes to give me high fives. Give me a high five. High five. Give me a high five. Come on, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. There we go. Good babies. Well, that's enough of my crazy bird. Till next time.